Andito tayo sa Pintados de Pasig 2026 National Invitational Motocross Competition dito sa Barangay Imbang Grande, Pasig City.
So are you ready? Are you ready? City of Pasig.
Yes.
This is the pro class, the final race of the day. Nakita nyo naman kanina, palitan ng winners.
Brother, main event.
This is the main event.
Yes.
And the winner is, the first race is Terence Nabat. The second race, I think, Michelin Rivera. And also, ang nagpapalitan na panalo, only Michelin Rivera and Terence Nabat.
Kota pong panay sa
This for today's who's gonna get the pro open or the pro final heat win.
Yung panay ng doon.
This is your host, Borang Mangosong. We have 12 laps of racing, bakbakan to the max. Sinasabi ko na kanina, sino yung pinakamagandang suspension is gonna be the fastest guy on the track. And he's gonna be the one na talagang tatagal. He's gonna be the one na talagang hindi basta-basta mapapagod. And who's gonna have the better lines will be the fastest. So, yun. Hopefully, nanonood sila sa karera ni Glenn Aguilar because Glenn Aguilar was doing some good lines today. And it's very nice to watch it. Hopefully, the pro class riders naghanap doon, naghanap ng mga susi at sikreto ni Glenn Aguilar para mag-hit race for today.
New York?
Kamu sinapan.
O gani sa Aguilar gani. Amo na nagampang bagulang.
Yung mic na naging masya na. Tahun terhadap bumbu.
Kawan dapat pemaanay ng dua sandalan niya.
Ready! Bigyan natin sa palakpak! So, let's see! The final heat. So, sasahin natin ang pangalan ng bilis lang ang tawa nito. Count out Terence Nabat. Kanina kasi first seat, si Terence Nabat sa bird but this is the naman alam ko babawi si Terence Rivera is going to be one race. So yun na, 8 laps up. 8 laps up! Pilot closely by Orlando Brett. Let's see what's open again. Aray ko! Terence Nabat made a mistake. But still, he recovered.
Kamara tayo na apat na.
Wala si Michelin, brother. Michelin is way back inside on the top, I think top 6. On the left. Timing is good. Timing is good. There's the last inning. Quick release across the way.
He's on third. Horses are racing.
And Bruno Fernandez, the younger Martino Ruma, let's see what he can do. And nandito siya sa harapan. Last race, 30 minutes to go. So let's see what happens. Opo, Cabrera.
Tama ka dyan, yes. Here we be. 5 bonus tayo, 10,000.
Malupad sinapat na no?
Heating up right now, partner.
Sinapat no? Tandang mga lupad. Alay talaga na mga bulak alay.
Kita natin, no? We can see.
Sinapat no?
Check talaga si Ompong.
Kita natin,
Ayun! Kita nyo ito kay dapat.
Ay, Fernandez,
Sinapat na
ayan,
siya no?
umabot na yun si
Ito.
Manikip ko dito. What a nice
Nice stroke!
by Omo. He's cleaning, you know.
And parang nag-pressure na lang.
Fernandez is gonna be ending in 45 minutes. Already on school start and also Mitchell Rivera. Let's see who's gonna end up first here. Let's see, he's breathing. So, Omo Gabriel, I know this kid. Pag nasa good mood siya, he's gonna be good fighter. So, let's see if he wants to. Because Omo, what is Omo planning now? Wow! Wow! What a nice race. You know, brother, alam mo, if Omo Gabriel and Terence Lapan, you know, his race, hold his pace up until the last lap. But Terence Lapan is holding his pace. Yes, he's in third place.
Okay, on third place is Mitch Rivera.
So, Opong have to breathe. Kailangan huminga niya Opong Gabriel. Kailangan niya huminga na malalim. Because Terence Lapan is not gonna give an inch to him. He had to take this win. Kailangan niyang kunin ito by hook or by crook. Because Mitchell Rivera is following them. kapag yung maluwang, walang kalaban sa harap, they have to step up at some way, some point in this race para lang makahabot ay dapat.
Oh, what a nice race this is right now.
He's following the
Alright,
But as you can see, there is Navas leading the race. I think it's gonna be 3-4 seconds. Ang nakasunod is Mitch and Roy Hernandez. At some point in this overjump, medyo nag-overjump si Terence dito sa double. Yung strength niya, yun ang problema, no?
Brother, ilang laps na? Ilang laps?
Laps, when you set the laps, signal. Who is the lap? 3 laps to go, so konti na lang ang natitira sa laps. Medyo malayo kasi Terence dapat. Is it still possible na makahabol si Mitch Rivera? Makes it still.
Ayan, habulan pa rin kay Mitch and Roy Fernandez. Money in the bank is waiting.
So Mitch, Roy, is the battle for second place.
Ayla is coming.
Oh my God! Nakapag-prepare pa si Ogbong, nakapag-handa. So hindi pa find your momentum.
Medyo malayo, brother.
Malayo-layo.
Wala na, brother. Papunta na ng checkered.
Papunta na ng checkered.
Oh, this is all over. Anyway,
Hindi pa tapos. Meron pa tayong dalawang corners. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na corners. Tingnan natin kung makakalapit pa si Mitch Rivera sa apat na corners. Pakli na Aguilar gets the fourth place.
Okay, back-to-back champion is Mitch Renara.
Back-to-back champion for Mitch Rivera. What a race! Shout out to all my sponsors. Shout out to Philippines, Ineos Motor Oil, Highland Pasig City, Mayor Steven Palmares. Thank you so much for this event. Let's go!
Wala ba kayo makabay? Pasig! Thank you everyone. We love you, Pasig City. Mayor, maraming